Hey, what's up? It's Wonderson Jackson here, and I wanted to bring some tiny updates about Avocado AI. Avocado has been growing a lot, but at the same time, it has a lot of challenges because as a solo founder, you find yourself in a situation where you have to handle technical things, you have to handle design, you have to handle marketing, you have to handle sales, and you have to pretty much do everything necessary. So this is a learning curve. A lot of things that I've been learning is like very interesting. Is like I had a lot of gaps within the business aspect of things, but then on the go, you have to learn. I think there's no better MBA than having a real business with real customers, and we are reaching to the mark of 3,000 people, and like how do you deal with all of this number of people that are using your app on a daily basis? So it is a challenge, but I'm very excited about it because I'm in the process of like now not only onboarding these people and having them use the app, but also convert them into paying customers, because you know that's part of the business. Like how can I convert maximum of people into paying customers and keep them happy with the product that they're using? Some updates that happened was that I have added a lot of things that were not necessarily needed, and which resulted in the app becoming a bit bloated. It had video editor, AI twin, this, and it's quite a lot, to be fair. So what I did was clean out the things that were not necessary. I started to like really analyze the metrics and see what people are actually using, and I just came to the conclusion that there are a few things that people really didn't care about, or they had better tools doing the same thing. So I sunsetted the video editor and some other smaller features to make sure that the app works smoothly. In addition to that, like I've really focused on improving the UX. So if you go into the app right now, it's totally different from 3 months ago. Today it has like a cleaner user interface, more focus on getting shit done. The things that I've added was adding an AI assistant. What this AI assistant does, it's called Leany. It pretty much helps you to come up with your ad campaign ideas, help you write the scripts, and even coming up with the mood board for your ads. So let's say for example you have a brand and you really want to come up with a marketing campaign. If you would do it in a traditional way, you'd pretty much have to hire a photographer, videographer. You would probably have to have like a model, a studio, and all of that, and it's pretty expensive. I was a brand owner myself, and I'm talking from experience. And with Avocado AI, what you do is like not only cut the cost, you have so much opportunity to experiment and have a maximum ad variation. So for your campaign or whatever you're working on, so you can come up with the images, you can generate image from scratch or edit image from your existing product or outfit or whatever you're selling. Based on these edits, you can just transform it into a video by writing some prompt and adding the image. And in addition to that, you would think that that's already okay, but no, you can actually do more than that. You now are able to edit, create videos, and now put a voiceover. So you're gonna have this fantastic voiceover, so you no longer have to spend a lot of money on voice actors on doing that part for you. In addition to that, like one part that is really essential, and I think that this actually adds a very nice cherry on top of the cake, is like having AI music. So with AI music, all you just need to do is just like come in and write your prompt, and you have the music ready. Whatever theme, whatever style, genre, you have it all in one bundle. This way, you don't have to spend a lot of money doing the traditional expenses of marketing, and you don't have to dabble between multiple tools because Avocado covers it all. So yeah, that's it. That's some of the updates. I have actually some really cool things coming. But as of today, we already have Sora 2 available on Avocado. You can go and check it out. It's like awesome. So much motion, and it has like such good physics and voice. The speaking part is like so good that I'm actually very impressed. And it's now available with no watermark, no waiting list, and no region restrictions. So that's it. More news. I'll be dropping it soon. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, I know it's quite a lot, but yeah, that's it.